Acts
Acts
chapter 22,
chapter 22,
28 to
28 to
chapter 23,
chapter 23,
20.
20.
The tribune answered,
The tribune answered,
I bought this citizenship
I bought this citizenship
for a large sum.
for a large sum.
Paul said,
Paul said,
but I am a citizen
but I am a citizen
by birth.
by birth.
So those
So those
who
who
were
were
about to examine him
about to examine him
withdrew
withdrew
from him immediately.
from him immediately.
And the tribune also was afraid,
And the tribune also was afraid.
for he realized
He realized
that Paul was a Roman citizen,
that Paul was a Roman citizen.
and that he had
That he had
bound him.
bound him.
But on the next day,
But on the next day,
desiring to know
desiring to know
the real reason
the real reason
why he was being
why he was being
accused by the Jews,
accused by the Jews,
he unbound him
he unbound him
and commanded the chief priests
and the chief priests
and all the council
and all the council
to meet,
to meet,
and he brought Paul down
and he brought Paul down
and set him before them.
and set him before them.
Acts chapter 23.
Acts chapter 23.
And looking intently
Intently
at the council,
at the council,
Paul said,
Paul said,
Brothers,
Brother,
I have lived my life
I have lived my life
before God
for God
in all good conscience
consent
up to this day.
up to this day.
And the high priest
And the high priest
Ananias
Ananias
commanded
commanded
those who stood by him
those who stood by him
to strike him
to strike him
on the
in
mouth.
On the mouth.
Then Paul said to him,
Then Paul said to him,
God is going to strike you.
God is going to strike you.
You
You
whitewashed wall,
whitewashed wall,
are you sitting to judge me
are you sitting to judge me
according to the law?
according to the law?
And yet contrary
And yet contrary
to the law,
you
order me
order me
to be struck.
to be struck.
Those who stood by said,
Those who stood by said,
Would you revile?
Would you revile
God's high priest?
God's high priest?
And Paul said,
And Paul said,
I did not know,
I did not know,
brothers,
brothers,
that he was the high priest.
that he was the high priest.
For it is written,
For it is written,
You shall not speak evil
You shall not speak evil
for a ruler of your people.
for the ruler of your people.
Now when Paul perceived that
Now when Paul perceived that
one part were
one part was
Sadducees
Sadducees
and the other Pharisees,
and the other Pharisees,
he cried out
he cried out
in the council,
in the council,
Brothers, I am a Pharisee,
I am a Pharisee,
a son of Pharisees.
a son of Pharisees.
It is with respect to the
It is with respect to the
hope
hope
and the resurrection
and the resurrection
of the dead
of the dead
that I am
that I am
on trial.
on trial.
And when he had said this,
And when he had said this,
a dissension
a dissension
arose between
arose between
the Pharisees
the Pharisees
and the Sadducees,
and the Sadducees.
and the assembly was divided.
And the assembly was divided.
For the Sadducees say,
But the Sadducees say
that there is no resurrection,
that there is no resurrection,
nor angel,
nor angel,
nor spirit.
nor spirit.
But the Pharisees
But the Pharisees
acknowledged them
acknowledged them
all.
all.
Then a great
Then a great
clamor arose,
clamor arose,
and some of the scribes
and some of the scribes
of the Pharisees' party
of the Pharisees' party
stood up
stood up
and
and
contended sharply.
contended sharply.
We find nothing wrong
We find nothing wrong
in this man.
in this man.
What if a spirit
What if a spirit
or an angel
or an angel
spoke to him,
spoke to him,
and when the dissension
when the dissension
became violent,
became violent?
the tribune,
The tribune,
afraid that Paul
afraid that Paul
would be torn
would be torn
to pieces by them,
to pieces by them,
commanded the soldiers
commanded the soldiers
to go down
to go down
and take him away
and take him away
from among them
from among them
by force
by force
and bring him into the
and bring him into the
barracks.
barracks.
The following night,
The following night,
the Lord stood by him
the Lord stood by him
and said,
and said,
"Take courage,
"Take courage,
for as you have
for as you have
testified to the
testified to the
facts about me
facts about me
in Jerusalem,
in Jerusalem,
so you must testify
so you must testify
also in Rome."
also in Rome.
When it was day,
When it was day,
the Jews made a plot
the Jews made a plot
and bound themselves
and bound themselves
by an oath
by an oath
neither to eat
neither to eat
nor drink
nor drink
till they had killed Paul.
till they had killed Paul.
There were
There were
more than
more than
40
40
who made this
who made this
conspiracy.
conspiracy.
They went to the chief priests
They went to the chief priest
and the elders
and the elders
and said,
and said,
"We have strictly bound ourselves
"We have strictly bound ourselves
by an oath
by an oath
to taste
to taste
no food
no food
till we have killed Paul.
till we have killed Paul.
Now therefore you,
Now therefore you,
along with the council,
along with the council,
give notice to the
give notice to the
tribune
tribune
to bring him down to you,
to bring him down to you,
as though you were going
as though you were going
to determine his case
to determine his case
more exactly,
more exactly,
and we are ready to kill him
and we are ready to kill him
before he comes near."
before he comes near.
Now the son of Paul's sister
The son of Paul's sister
heard of their
all of the
ambush,
ambush,
so he went
so he went
and entered the
and entered the
barracks
barracks
and told Paul.
and told Paul.
Paul called
Paul called
one of the
one of the
centurions
centurions
and said,
and said,
"Take his young man
"Take his young man
to the tribune,
to the tribune,
for he has something to tell him."
for he has something to tell him."
So he took him
So he took him
and brought him to the tribune
and brought him to the tribune
and said,
and said,
"Paul the prisoner
"Paul the prisoner
called me
called me
and asked me
and asked me
to bring this young man to you,
to bring this young man to you,
as he has
as he has
something to say to you."
something to say to you."
The tribune took him
The tribune took him
by the hand
by the hand
and going aside,
and going aside,
asked him privately,
asking privately,
"What is it
"What is it
that you have to tell me?"
that you have to tell me?"
And he said,
And he said,
"The Jews have agreed
The Jews have agreed
to ask you
to ask you
to bring Paul down
to bring Paul down
to the council tomorrow,
to the council tomorrow,
as though
as though
they were going to inquire
they were going to inquire
somewhat more
somewhat more
closely about him.
closely about him.